New York is the city that never sleeps, and the Forex market is the market that never closes. Did you know that 17% of the total daily transactions that take place in the Forex market happen in the New York or North American trading session itself? And if you can know how to trade during these trading sessions, like which strategies to use or which trading pair should you focus on, it will help you clear all the clutter and just help you focus on the path which will make you consistently profitable. Hello and welcome to Forex Monopoly. My name is Daksh, and in this video I'm going to discuss everything you need to know about the North American trading session or the New York trading session, like when does it start, which pairs you should target, and which strategies should you use during this trading session. Also at the end I'm going to tell you how I trade the New York trading session in a very different way than the others, so make sure you watch this video all the way to the end. Now, before we start, let me give you a brief about trading sessions, and if you want to learn about trading sessions in detail, then I already have a video for you all and you can check it out by clicking the I button. Now, the Forex market that we know is an over-the-counter and a decentralized marketplace where the exchange of foreign currencies takes place between buyers and the sellers. This exchange of currency pairs has become a crucial part of the world economy, and there are banks, funds managers, governments, and many financial institutions that participate in these trading sessions. So the world does not function in one single time zone, and hence the Forex market is up and running throughout the day to allow the traders from all over the world, like Australia, Asia, London, and New York, to carry out their trading activities in the Forex market. The Forex market is open for 24 hours a day, and this time period is divided into a couple of trading sessions. Now, the North American trading session is one of the such Forex trading session, and the North American trading session begins at 1 p.m. UTC and closes at 10 p.m. UTC, which is actually 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. in the American time zone. So just when the European trading session is about to end, the North American trading session begins, and we have a bit of time overlap between these two trading sessions. Now, for those who don't know time overlap, it is when two different sessions are active together. So in this case, the European trading session and the American trading session have an overlap of 3 hours. And this means that both the markets are open at the same time, and this is the best time to trade as it provides the best amount of liquidity and volatility as a lot of market participants are active. Now that you know about the North American trading sessions, I will tell you which trading pairs should you target during this trading session. In the previous video, when we learned about the European trading session, I told you that the small trends are formed during the European trading sessions. So if trends are said to be formed in the European trading sessions, then the North American trading session acts as a continuation of the previous trend, as it is in this particular session where the trend continues the path of the close of the earlier session. So it is said that if the European market is bullish throughout its session, then the New York session or the North American session follows higher, continuing the prevailing trend. And if the New York trading session somehow shows reversals, then expect the Asian trading session to follow the American trading session, that is, follow the reversal. Now, as the European and the North American trading session have an overlap, volatility and the liquidity are at the highest, and so you have a lot of options for trading. You can trade all the currency pairs that include European currencies such as Euro and GBP, as well as the currency pairs which include US dollars. So trade major currency pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, USD CAD, etc., and the minor currency pairs like Euro GBP, Euro CAD, GBP CAD, and etc. with ease. So now that you know what is the North American trading session and which pair should you trade, I will tell you how do I trade during this trading session and which strategy do I use. But before we move forward, if you are enjoying this video, then make sure you hit the like button. So I don't look for the same specific currency pairs during the New York trading session. My plan during the New York trading session is based on what was happening in the previous, that is the European trading session. I believe that if I found a trend in the European trading session, then there is a good chance that the trend will continue in the American trading session. And so I look for continuation entries until any supply and demand zone approaches or until there is a news release. So instead of looking for extra pairs to trade, I focus on trading the pairs I used during the European trading session, as it gets much better and I get much better trades using the same pairs. Also, I was already trading those pair in the European session, so I have more knowledge about the recent price action and things get very easy for me. Apart from that, I also add gold and silver to my watch list due to the higher liquidity and lower spreads that the broker offer during this time. Now, there is no one strategy or a single strategy that fits all the types of market conditions. So I may use different strategies at different times as per the market conditions. But during the American session, as I have already been riding those trends in the European session, I prefer using the same strategies, which is of moving averages and supply and demand areas. So if I am riding a trend, I use moving averages to ensure I'm not going against the trend, and I try to stay away from the reversal entry. So I use the moving averages, golden cross and support and resistance levels for finding reversals, but I don't enter or I don't get into trades or reversal entries.